n8n's full capabilities go far beyond simple automation. It's a low-code platform where you can build integrations, orchestrate complex workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and even create intelligent AI agents. You can connect to hundreds of services via pre-built nodes or use HTTP requests to call any API. It supports custom JavaScript in function nodes, webhooks for real-time triggers, and robust error handling. Advanced workflows can include looping, conditional logic, parallel execution, and queuing. n8n also supports environment variables, credentials encryption, and webhook security for production-grade use. You can host it yourself or use n8n.cloud. For developers, it offers full flexibility to extend nodes or even build community packages. AI capabilities can be added using OpenAI, Pinecone, or other services to create powerful agents. Overall, n8n is a general-purpose automation engine capable of handling tasks across marketing, sales, IT, DevOps, customer support, and more.